Hello again, and you join me in my shed. Sorry it's been so long since I last uploaded. I've just had a lot on at the moment, but I'm trying to start putting more videos out again. Anyway, you may know that I like buying budget tools. I like Parkside tools from Lidl, the Ferrex tools from Aldi. Well, today I've been to Farmfoods, and if you don't know what Farmfoods is, they generally just sell food. A lot of frozen and chilled stuff, quite budget products to be honest. But I've just noticed that they start doing tools. Stanley multi-tool, screwdrivers all in one. It's a six-piece adapter. So let's open up and have a look. I also noticed that they do belt sanders for £19.99. Don't know, is it worth investing? Einhell as well, which is a fairly decent brand. I thought I'd let you know about that. Open this up, see what it's all about, and see if it's worth £4.99. So here it is, made by Stanley, but this is just going to sit in my house in a drawer and just there when I need it. So it's got two flatheads, a 5mm, a 6.5mm, two posies and two sockets. 6.5mm, 8mm, model number if you need it, 0-68-012. Nice rubber handle, little hanger there if you want to hang it on a wall. Nice little tip that is from Scout Crafter. Do a few slots in there and then cut up the side. So when you get to that point, the bits fly off and you don't catch your fingers. There we go, fly off. Oh. Okay, so I've got a posi bit there. Take that out on a smaller posi bit. Yeah, it doesn't lock in. It's got a little ball retainer there, if you can see. And that just holds it in place. It doesn't lock in, it just sort of held by friction, just enough to hold it in place. So yeah, two-sided there. So with a little bit of force, there we go, pull the thing out. And then we've got a flathead, which is 6.5mm. Flathead there, which is smaller, and it's 5mm. Like that. You can switch them around whichever way you want. Locks into place. Just enough to give it a bit of rigidity. And then is the 6.5mm socket, which is there. And then on that side is the 8mm socket, if you ever need it. That goes into that. That's worth noticing. The posi goes into the smaller end. And the flathead goes into the larger. Yeah, so yeah, not bad, solid enough. Off, say, a rubber handle, nice grip on there. It's also rounded off at the end there, which is a nicer grip. And also, it's bright yellow, so you ain't going to lose it in a hurry. And I've also noticed, if you take this out completely, so take that out, I've got a little slot either side there, so you can use it as an Allen key if you want to tighten it up, or if you put in a hook or an eyelet. Oh, that hook's a little bit big for it actually, but an eyelet or a hook, if you want to screw it in, you can use that, or probably a wing nut, fix it on a wing nut as well. So yeah, a few more uses with that slotted piece at the end there. So yeah, Farmfoods are now doing tools. Or have they done them for a while? Let me know in the comments. I'd be interested to know what that belt sander's like as well, that Einhell one. £19.99, can't go wrong, I suppose. This was £4.99. So if you buy anything from Farmfoods, any tools, let me know in the comments what you think. Yeah, I'm sweating buckets at the minute. The humidity's gone through the roof. It's been beautiful weather today. And then it's just started thundering and raining, and we've had rain over the last few days, and the thunder's really going for it now. I don't know if you can hear it. I don't think I'll ever get used to humidity. But anyway, it's a different story. So there it is. What do you think to it? Have you used one already? Say, just a very short video. I'll be back again soon with some more videos. I've got some projects that I want to do. I miss YouTube, so I want to get back to it as soon as I can. So thanks for bearing with me. Thanks to all my subscribers. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Cheers. See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.